The calcnClean program ensures the best hygiene of your appliance and the best taste for your coffee. We recommend using the original Siemens descaling and cleaning tablets. Go to Care and Maintenance by touching the drop icon and selecting the calcnClean program. The device guides you through the process. Empty and reinsert the milk container and the drip tray. Open the coffee bean container and the small slot inside and insert the cleaning tablet. Next, fill the water tank with half a liter of warm tap water and drop a descaling tablet inside. Once dissolved, reinsert the water tank. Place a container with a capacity of 1 liter under the outlet system and press start. After 10 minutes, you can rinse the water tank and reinsert it. Now treat yourself to a smooth espresso. You deserve it. Siemens Home Appliances.